chimpanzee, but they bring their kids. See, whoa, falling. See there with their babies there. Whoop, whoop. See, there's 3 adult chimpanzee, but they bring their kids. See, whoa, falling. There is a big one there. Whoop, 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 whoop. Oh, itu ya. Let's go, jump, jump. Jump. Hayo, hayo. Chimpanzee, black and white color. See? Hook, hook. Hook, 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 hook. Hook, hook, hook. Ayo, jump. Lompat. Yes, come on, jump. See? Sudah. Ciao, ciao. Mereka mau pulang. They want to go home to their, I don't know where is their house. Greeting from Indonesia. Ciao, ciao, chimpanzee. Biasanya warnanya pirang, ya kan? Normally the color of their hair is blonde, but this one is black and white. You hear that their voice? Or in my local language we call it kiah kiah or simpe. Or in bahasa Indonesia is simpe, but it means there's 2 color, black and white, for another one, and another one again blonde hair. Yeah. Ciao, ciao. I'm on the way to the shack. Mau ke gubuk ini, to the field. Ya. Dari perjalanan mau pulang ke gubuk ke ladang. Thank you so much for watching. Greeting from Jambi, Indonesia. Ciao, ciao. Stay safe and stay healthy. God bless you. Sunset there. There is a sunset. Ciao.